Hey guys, Nelson here, Nelson from Legitimate Income Online. So guys, today I just want to show you that you can still making money with Google Adsense. Okay, you can see here just making 300 today. Yesterday is just 300, almost 400 that day. Lasting 7 days is just in 2K. Okay, $2,000. This month is just the $3,000. You can even see some of the statistics here, which are pretty good. Okay, so let me go and refresh. You can even see how many visitors are coming from and the CPC. So let me go and refresh this so that you can see that it's not a fake page. Okay, you cannot edit it. I don't edit none of that. So to get more updated, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Just go and hit the subscribe button and put some notification on to get more update. Let me refresh again so you can see that I don't fake in any of this stuff. Okay, just like that, the same figure, the same amount. Peace.